Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, reels and millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. The white that you're seeing there is the reflection of the lights. First pieces. Little semi-crystal piece in the middle here. Been roughly shaped out. Down perhaps. The piece is a bit more of a picture stone. Well, it looks a bit like a bleach there, and the ocean, the sky, a couple of little islands out here. Nice and thick, so you can put a string through it, rope or whatever you want, or you could shape it down to set it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.